One, oh, oh! Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm CasseyNicole and today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated skincare routine. Starting off, I'm going to use the NOXEMA Classic Cream. It's the original deep cleansing cream. This cream actually makes my face feel really clean because it tingles and it refreshes, and it also leaves my skin pretty soft and smooth. So I'm going to rub this cream all over my face in a circular motion. After that, I'm going to wait 5 to 10 minutes to let the cream sit on my face and do its job. I like to wait till I feel that nice and tingly feeling. It just lets me know it's about ready to take off. When the cream is sort of kind of dry and a little hard to rub in, that lets me know, let's go ahead and take this off. So after I rinse that cream off my face, I like to go in with my 100% black soap, and this helps with blemishes and oily skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my apple cider vinegar as well as my Dickinsons witch hazel. I just put them together in one little bottle. The apple cider vinegar and the witch hazel are great toners for your face. It cleanses and also conditions the pores and maintains clear and balanced skin. Next, I'm going to take this little round cotton pad and place that vinegar on top and rub it on my face. When using this mixture, your face is not going to smell the best, but it's okay because your skin is nice and clean. So I'm just going to take this cotton pad and, make sure my face is covered with the mixture. With this next step, I like to go in with vitamin E oil, and that moisturizes and nourishes my skin. And then I also like to use my 100% aloe vera gel. But I also placed it within that one vitamin E oil bottle. I just feel like just mixing them both together is best. So that's why the vitamin E oil is a little bit thick. It's not too runny. So this is basically my moisturizer. It is wintertime and my skin is sort of kind of dry at the moment. So I use this as a moisturizer, and it helps basically with my dry skin. Not only do I do this routine in the morning, but I also do it at night. This routine is definitely helping my skin balance itself out and just flourish. So if you guys liked it, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.